In this video, I will show you how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. Now, before you do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is download Python. So to do that, go ahead and open up an internet browser, come across to google.com, and into the Google search box, just go ahead and type Python download and then hit enter. What you want to do is click onto the top result. So this is the official website, which is python.org/downloads. What you want to do is make sure you're on Windows. So if you look here, you can see we've got Windows. So if you give this a click, this is going to take you to all the downloads for Windows. Now you've got a number of different versions here, but for the purpose of this example, I'm going to download the latest Python 3 release, which as you can see is at the top here. So we're just going to give that a click to download this onto our PC. So you just want to click and then scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page and then download the recommended Windows installer, the 64-bit one just down here. So you just want to wait a minute or two for that to finish downloading. And once Python has finished downloading, what you can do is go ahead and open this up. So we can just simply double click to open up Python. And what you want to do on the installation is make sure these two boxes at the bottom are ticked. So to use admin privileges and to add python.exe to path, and then just go ahead and click install now. As you can see, that's going to run through and install Python. Once Python has finished, you're going to get this success message. So what you want to do is close this down. And then next, what you need to do is come down to your search box at the bottom, click onto the search box in your taskbar and type terminal, just like so, and then open up terminal underneath best match. So what that's going to do is open something like this. The first thing we're going to do is check which version of Python's installed. So to do that, type the following command, which is Python, then a space, and then two dashes, and then you want to type version, and then hit enter, and that's going to tell you what version of Python you have. So you can see in my case, it's 3.13.2. Now we know we've got Python installed, we can go ahead and install Jupyter by typing the following command, which is pip space install space Jupyter, spelled like this, and then go ahead and hit enter. What that's going to do, as you can see, it's just going to start installing Jupyter Notebook. So it just takes a minute or two, but you just want to wait for it to finish fully. Once that's been fully installed, as you can see, it says successfully installed. There is a new version of pip available at the time of recording, but we don't need to worry about that too much. What we can do is go ahead and close down the terminal. What you want to do now is go ahead and create a new folder. So I'm going to right click onto my desktop, hover over new, and then click folder. You can call this what you want, but I'm just going to call this one Jupyter Projects, just like so. Once you've created that folder, double click to go into your folder. Then what you want to do is right click, and on this menu that comes up, you want to click onto opening terminal. What we're now going to do is open up the Jupyter Notebook in this Jupyter Projects folder. So what I'm going to do is type the following command, which is Jupyter space notebook, and then hit enter, and this is going to start to open up our notebook. So now we're going to select the app to open this file. I'm going to use Google Chrome, so I'm going to select that, come down and click just once down here, and as you can see, this is going to start loading up the notebook. It might just take a minute or two to load through initially. All you need to do now is come to the new button here, give that a click, and then click onto Python 3. And what that's going to do is load up your project ready to go. So you can come up to the top as well, and you can rename this by clicking onto Untitled. So I'm going to call this one Example Project, just like so. And what we're going to do is click Rename. And once we've done that, if we actually come back to our folder, it should now be saved. So if I open this up, you can see our project is now saved here. And that is how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.